Okay, now let me say you just got a brand new Android phone and you want to set a password, like my own phone here. My phone here, no password. For instance, if I lock the screen and unlock the screen, you will see there's no password to this phone. Now, how do you set a password to your Android phone? This phone right here is an Infinix Smart 10, and this method can be used on all Android phones. So to set a password, just look for settings and tap on settings on your Android phone. If you tap on setting, then scroll down until you see password and security. You can see here password and security. Tap on it. If you tap on it, you can see here option 1 here, lock screen password. Tap on it. If you tap on it, you can see here all these 4 options, 1 2 3 4, are different password options, but right now you can see none is in use because there's no password to it. So you can come here and set pattern. For instance, you can tap on this pattern, and after some times you can allow this countdown to count. You can tap on this got it and then enable a pattern password. You can come here, for instance, and draw a pattern of your choice, and you can see here redraw pattern to confirm. You can come here, for instance, and redraw a pattern like same pattern and then set a pattern password, but I don't want pattern. I can cancel it. So I'll still go on the lock screen password. So you can choose to set numeric password as your password. For instance, you can tap here and allow this countdown to finish. You can tap on this got it and then come here and put numbers. For instance, I want to put numbers to set a password. I come here and put 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'll tap on next. You can see re-enter the password. I can come here again and enter the same numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'll tap on this confirm. You can see that right now I have set a password to this Android phone. For instance, if I go to my home and I lock the screen and unlock it, now to open it, if I swipe, they will ask for a password. So I'll come here and put my password, 1 2 3 4 5 6. It will open. So right now I've set a password to my Android phone. That's simple. You can use the same method to set a pattern, to set numeric, or to use alphabet, as in letters, as your password. It's very simple. Thanks for watching and bye.